Don't forget the green bean casserole. Well, instead, this is the cream corn casserole. Here we go, you guys. Ready? Let's get it.
Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny in Mama Soul Kitchen. Today everybody, we have a wonderful cream corn casserole, everybody, okay? Growing up as a child, I remember my mother used to make this from scratch and I thought it was the most amazing thing. So we're going to try to perfect it. I haven't had this in a long time, but I'm doing my own goody to it, okay? Now, what I did was I got some polenta. It's like yellow grits, everybody, okay? Yellow grits. And I went on and added some hot water, brought it to a boil, got 2 cups of water and 1 cup of cornmeal, this stuff right here, polenta, and let it stir it up and then let it kind of thicken up, everybody, okay? Now we added in 2 cans of cream corn. That's what we have here. We added in the polenta into that, okay? Look at that. That's the polenta, okay? So we're going to make sure it's all nicely distributed all throughout the pan here. And then we're going to add the nice flavors to it. I remember it was such a rich, good flavor throughout when I was growing up as a child. I thought this was the most amazing thing. Kind of like that corn cake kind of thing. So we're going to add in some butter, of course. And this is about 3.5 to 4 tablespoons of butter, everybody, okay? Remember, the butter, no margarine, butter, okay? We're going to make it taste delicious, so we're going to stir that up a little bit all throughout. We also added in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, you don't have to put sugar in it if you don't want to, but we have sugar over here, okay, everybody? There's going to be some goody over here, okay? It's like a sweet corn cake in a way, okay? And okay, now we're going to add in some green bell peppers and red bell peppers, and I say it's about 1/4 of a cut of a bell pepper of each, okay? So we went on and chopped that, we'll dice it up nicely, okay? Then we're going to add in some green onions, everybody. Green onions from the backyard that we have in our garden tutorial of how we grew and how we picked our green onions, everybody, on our YouTube channel, okay? We're going to finish adding all those bell peppers, all the goodies, okay? Now we're going to add in, let me wash my hands off real quick. All right, now we're going to add in the flavors, everybody. It's the best part, some onion powder. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt. Not that much, okay? We just want to kind of make it even out, make a pop against that sugar we added, okay? Now we're going to add in some garlic salt, just a little bit of that. And we're going to add in some no salt. That's how we do it here. We always have no salt. This is Mama Soul Kitchen no salt seasonings. That's going to be on our website, hopefully soon. Now here we go. We're going to stir this up, and it's going to be delicious. And we're going to bake this in the oven under 375 for 30 minutes, everybody. Okay? 30 minutes on 375. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious, everybody? I am telling you, this is one of the best tasting. Woo! I remember this as a child. I'm just saying, I'm foaming at the mouth. So now let's go ahead and put this in the oven and let it bake, like I said, okay, for 30 minutes, everybody. Okay? Be right back. Alright, you guys, it's been 30 minutes. Ooh, look how bubbling hot this is. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh, simply beautiful, everybody. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So we're going to let this cool, and then we're going to go ahead and scoop it out. Now, you can jazz it up if you like. You can add some like shredded cheese on top of it if you like. You can add sour cream in the recipe as well, like a tablespoon of sour cream or 2 tablespoons of sour cream actually. And you can add in, like, you know, I would say a cup of cheddar cheese, and you can mix it all up in there. But we kind of made it a little bit healthier today, just all vegetables and no cheese. And we just went on and did it this way, trying to be good. We kind of cut corners. Okay, it's okay to cut corners sometime, okay, everybody? But you can make this fabulous with cheese and sour cream as well. stay tuned. We're going to scoop it out. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you like what you see, make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more. We have a lot more coming soon, everybody. Ooh, look at that healthy vegetable casserole right there. Look at that corn, bell peppers and onions, and red bell peppers. Ooh, yes. Make it want to slap somebody. Trust me. All right, you guys. See you guys soon. Here we go. All right, you guys. Now it's all cooled off. Look at this right here. Look at that, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Gonna put that over there. We're gonna get some more of this. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that mouth-watering delicious, everybody? If you like corn, you're going to love this recipe. You're going to love it. Look at that. Again, if you guys like what you see, make sure you guys give us a follow and a like. And subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a lot more of things coming to you soon. And over here is our cucumber, tomato, onion salad. And our fried chicken, old school fried chicken. All recipes are on our YouTube channel. See you guys soon. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Just simply mouth-watering. If you guys want to get our cookbooks are available on Amazon.com, at the Mama Soul Kitchen Cookbook, and the Just Dessert Shop for Sweet Tooth Only. See you guys soon for a lot more recipes coming your way.